Here we go, we got a question, subarray with sum k. So you have given an unsorted array. We need to find the number of continuous subarrays having sum exactly equal to the number k. So suppose we got this example and we need to find -10. So from this to this particular index, we got -10 as summation, and from this to this we also got -10. From this to this we also got -10 as summation. And in this we need to find 33. So from this to this particular index the summation is 33, and from this to this index we got summation as 33, and in this we have not find any summation which is equal to 0. So that's why the answer is 0. Now let's build the approach. So we got this example. So one key observation here is, so let's suppose we got a summation from I to j, from I to j. So before that, let me tell you that from this particular index, from 0 to ith index, from 0 to ith index, we got a summation as current sum, and from this to this index we got target, and if this remainder is there in a subarray, in an subarray, it means target is there. If the remainder is there, it means target is also there. So that's why remainder plus target is equal to current sum. So what I mean is, we need to find remainder which is equal to current sum minus target, and current sum can be occur more than once. How? I will show you, but just remember that remainder can be occur or current sum can be occur more than once, and target can be occur more than once. So let's find the summation. We got this value, the summation to this particular value is 10. So what we got? 10 minus 10. We got 20. Is 20 there? No, 20 is not there. 20 is not there previously. How do we check if any particular remainder is there previously or not? To check, we need to store this. So to store this, we will consider map. We need to consider map integer and integer. The first integer, which is the key, it will be current summation. Let me write summation, and the second will be frequency. How many times that particular summation is there? How many times that particular summation is there? So 20. Is 20 there in our map? No, our map is empty. 20 is not there. It means till this particular point we have not find any target. Now just consider this. Consider this, because this remainder till any particular point, remainder will help us to detect whether target is there or not. I know it's a bit confusing, but bear with me, you will understand it afterwards. So just consider 10 means it we got 10 with a frequency of 1 till now. Then we got 12. So 12, we got 12, we got 22. Is 22 there? No, 22 is not there. Just consider this value with the frequency. Then we will consider this, and till this point we got 10. So 10 minus 10 is 20. Is 20 there? No, 20 is still not there. It means 20 is not there, the target is also not there, but we got 10. 10 is already there. It means till this particular point 10 occurs 2 times. So just increment the frequency of 10. Yes. Now let's move ahead. We got minus 10. Minus 10, yeah. So let me write it here. We got minus 10 minus minus 10. So what's the remainder? The remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. 0 is also not there, but from this to this index, we got target at minus, we got summation as minus 10, which is our target. It means this particular substring is a valid substring. So we need to consider this. There are two options. One option is to just add 0 initially with frequency 1. First way is to just add this in our map. So we will find 0. How many times it is occurring? It is occurring only once. One way is to check with this, or another way is to just write if condition. If the current summation is equal to target, so just increment your answer. You can choose any of the option. So I will choose insert 0 and increment the frequency. So 0 is there with the frequency 1, so answer will become 1 at this stage. Then we got minus 10 from this to this index. So just consider this. We go to minus 10. It is useful to find the remainder, and it is occurring only once. So we will move ahead. From this to this index, we got 20. So we will again write 20 minus minus 10. We got 30. Is 30 there? No, 30 is not there. Okay. So just consider from the starting index to this means current summation. Just consider the current summation with the frequency 1. Then we got 30. I think I have made a mistake. Because from this to this index we got minus 10, and minus 10 plus 10 we got to 0, and 0 minus minus 10 we got 10. And from this index we got 10, we got 12, then we again got 10. So at this stage this summation is 0. From the starting to this stage we got summation as 0, and we got remainder as 10. Is 10 there? Yes, 10 is there. It means remainder is also there. So this is the crucial point. From this to from this to this index we got current, and we need to find minus 10. So from this to this we got target. So current minus target, which means our remainder is 10. 10 is occurring two times, means from this to this index we got 10. As you can see, 10 is there. So target is also there. If remainder is there, target is also there. If remainder is there, target is also there. So remainder means 10. 10 occurs two times, means target is also occurs two times at this stage, ending at this stage. So from this to this index we got minus 10. Yes, from this to this stage we also got minus 10. So just update the answer. Initially we got 1, but uh, at this stage we also got two more new values. So the new answer will be 3. Don't forget to consider 0. So from this stage we got 0. So just increment the frequency. Then at the next step we got 10 at summation. So 10 minus minus 10 we got 0. I think 20. Sorry. So is 20 there? No, 20 is not there. No issues. So just consider 10 and just increment the frequency 10. Then we go to 0. So what's the remainder? So 0 minus minus 10 we got 10. 0 minus minus 10 we got 10. Is 10 there? Yes, 10 is there 3 times. It means minus 10 is also there 3 times, ending at this particular position. One is this, and another is this. This summation is minus 10, and another is this. This summation is minus 10. This will cancel out this. This will cancel out this, and this will cancel out. I think, yeah, this will cancel out this. I think I made a mistake again. So 10, yeah, from this to this index only. This will cancel out this, this will cancel out this. So we got minus 10. Yes. So we got 10 three times, so the new answer will be plus 3, which will become 6. Then we again got minus 10, it will become minus 10. How many times this value occurs? And at this point I just realized I forgot to consider 0. Don't forget to consider 0 and increment the frequency. So we got minus 10, so minus 10 minus minus 10, we got 0. Is 0 there? Yes, 0 is there. One answer is this, another answer is this, and another answer is the total summation. How? This will cancel out this, this will cancel out this, this will cancel out this, so the total summation is also minus 10. So 0 occurs 3 times, so just consider 3. Then at this stage we got minus 10, so just increment the minus 10 frequency. At the end we got 9 answers. So now let's code this. We got our map. So there are two options. One option is to just put 0 with the frequency 1. So then we got this for each loop simple. Just consider your current element. If the remainder is there, it means target is also there. Get the frequency. We got merge function. It means if current value is there, it will just increment the frequency by 1. If current is not there, it will put 1. And at the end, just return your answer. One way to check if at this particular position we got current summation as target or not is this, or another way to just check if current is equal to your k, then just increment your answer. Another way is this. So there are two options. You can um, write any of this. Now let's code this. I hope it will work. Let's discuss about the time and space complexity. So the time complexity is order of n, space complexity is also order of n. Code is given in the description box. And let me tell you, like in my first attempt, my mic was off, so I am recording this second time. So consider clicking on the like button and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching this video.